So welcome to Patri Artisan Street Food and Drinks. We're a small Indian restaurant in Northfields in West London. We are Halal compliant and vegan friendly. We've been on this site since November 2018 and I'm the co-founder of the business alongside my wife Preeti Gupta Wadhwani. We're a small team of 16 on this site, and we have another branch in Hammersmith where we have another 13 members of staff. And the name Patri was inspired by four meanings. Patri in Hindi means pavement, in Urdu it means train tracks, in ancient Sanskrit it means a small furnace or a small vessel, and in Latin and Greek it means father. So we actually took all those four elements and we constructed our menu. Our menus change every 3 months. We take our customers onto a journey which always begins with the capital of India. We start with New Delhi. On the launch menu, we moved to Jodhpur. During the holy month of Ramzan, we did the menu from Lahore. And now we're going back onto the east of India at Calcutta. Then we move to the west in Mumbai. Then we head up north again to Jammu and Kashmir, passing Lahore into Karachi, and then we move to Bangladesh and we get back into the Bengali mode and ending up back again in New Delhi. We are quite excited to cover Calcutta, which is the gem of the East, and the guys at Feed the Lion are our judges today, so we hope you enjoy it. On the new Calcutta menu, we've got some classic street foods which you'll find day in, day out, which the bongs, as we call them in India, for the Bengali community, they devour on a daily basis. So the boyfriend chaat is our take on the batata puri, wheat discs which are topped with some boiled potato, simple ingredients but some big flavors. We've also got the Ghugni Chaat, again a very simple preparation of chickpeas and then quickly put together last minute with lots of kachumba, lots of tamarind to give that tanginess on that chaat. And then we've sort of gone to the inner city of Calcutta. A few remaining Chinese descendants are still carrying on their traditions and mixed with Indian chilies. We've got the spicy paneer mirch, which is again tossed on the wok, which we season very well to extract all the flavors. And then we sort of go back on the second half of the menu with some classics like jhal muri, which is the Calcuttan version of bel puri with some puff rice and some homemade tamarind and date chutneys, and our own signature twist on mishto dahi, which means sweet yogurt. We use a fantastic superfood kale, which is flash fried, blast chilled to lock all the nutrients, and then topped up with our melody of chutneys. We're blessed to have one of the most talented chefs in this country handling our curry side. So he brings home some classic Bengali curries, raduna chicken, which is also made on the Bangladeshi side. Again, Bangladesh was part of India historically, so those recipes are still used across the border. And then we've got a mutton stew, which is marinated for 6 to 7 hours and then cooked for 5 to 6 hours. A lot of patience, perseverance, passion goes into our curries, which is why we deliver some amazing flavors. And then we've got a celebratory curry called the Nizami Safed Mas, which is cashew nut based curry. That is the only curry with nuts on the Calcutta menu. We try and use only cashew nuts in our kitchen. A lot of the Calcuttan food is based with mustard, so it's quite aromatic and it's quite healthy. Going back to some family recipes, aloo posto, which is made with poppy seeds, and our own signature dish on a very Bengali sweet makhani sauce, the koroshuti. And also on the city specials, we've got the Thumka Biryani. The Thumka means a jerk. So rather than cooking biryani the Hyderabadi way, which is cooked and marinated slowly, we do a flash, fast and furious railway style jerk biryani.
You recently won a couple of awards as well.
That's right. So we won the Street Food Restaurant of the Year for our Hammersmith branch, which opened in 2019. So we were quite surprised. So the second award from the London Curry Awards 2019 was the Curry Entrepreneur of the Year. We were quite pleased to win this one, and I was quite happy to dedicate this to our head chef, Vijendra Rana, who delivers these fantastic curries for us. Somehow he can read my mind and make amazing curries. So a simple brief can bring out some bold textures, some deep flavors, and some fantastic products. We're firm believers of cooking with passion, and the proof is normally in the product.